Now that your sidewall columns are in place and all girts have been installed, it's time to install your sidewall wind rod braces. Your pre-engineered building kit utilizes wind rod bracing to stabilize and square up your building. Most buildings will require wind rod bracing in both the walls and the roof. In this video, we will focus on wall bracing. Each end of the wind rod is threaded to accommodate the half-inch nut that will attach the wind rod to the wind rod clip. The wind rod clip attaches to the column with either a half-inch or a 5/8" bolt, washer, and nut. Your shipment list will specify which size is used. The wind rod bracing should be installed in the locations shown on your W drawings. You will install one wind rod clip at the base of the column, just above the first web rod, as shown here. The clip will be on the inside of the back legs of the column, with the attachment bolt extending through the space between the angles, followed by the washer and nut. It's a good idea to install this finger tight until after the top clip has been installed. The upper wind rod clip is installed in the same manner, just above the first web rod as demonstrated here. If your building project has an at-eave canopy, the location of the top wind rod connection should be moved down to just below the canopy beam connector as shown here. Once both clips have been installed, tighten the nuts holding the clips to the columns. Repeat this process for the second wind rod brace. Once both braces have been attached, tighten the half-inch nuts at the end of the wind rods to pull your columns to be plumb. Tightening the nut at the right or left bottom of the wind rod will dictate what way the column will pull as shown here. Once your columns are plumb, you may proceed with the next phase of your installation. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.